Hi friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. Today's video is a long anticipated shop with me and mini haul from the Target dollar spot for their new spring and Easter line. I have found some of the items that I'm looking for, but not everything has been out yet, so I will continue to hunt, but I wanted to share with you everything that I found at Target. They've got a ton of super cute stuff as far as decor, like this copper basket that's only $5, and they've also got a ton of gardening themed items if you're big into that, and also some practical things you can use while gardening. So check it out. If you've got any questions on anything, leave it in the comments down below, and stay tuned to the end of this video to see what I picked up. here's my mini haul now that I'm home, and honestly I didn't grab that much. There was a ton of cute stuff, but there's a few very Eastery type things that I'm holding out for. I've seen it online and it's stuff that goes with what I already have, but I did pick up a few things. One being underneath here, this like knee mat. I'm not a huge gardener. We do yard work, but I'm not like planting a ton of flowers and things, but I did get this for when I paint things or when I'm crafting. This is always nice to have an extra like squishy pad. And also I know that my mom uses this when they clean their pool. So if you've got to like do any work around something like that on like concrete or something, these would be helpful, and they're only $3. So I grabbed one of these that was kind of gardening neutral minus the flowers so I could use it for other things. I grabbed two of these guys. I really like the side without the cutout, so I'm probably gonna paint this side. I'll probably just have to do 2 coats on here and get the sticker off, but I thought these were super cute. I'm gonna DIY these somehow for my house. And then I also grabbed the black version of the basket that I showed you. Here is the DPCI on this one in case it's different than the rose gold one. It is 234211299, and I will be sure to link my how to kind of check Target's Dollar Spot inventory video down in the comments below to show you how to use the numbers that I'm showing you to see if that is in stock at your store. So thanks so much for coming shopping with me today. I am obviously, like I said, still on the hunt, so I will be sure to let you guys know and show you more stuff as I see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!